In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your Instagram username and password. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. To get started, head over to the bottom right and then you'll see your profile picture here. If you go ahead and tap on it, now on top here, the name written here is your Instagram username. As you can see, mine is this. This can be used to log into your Instagram account anytime you want to log in, and it is very important. So that's how you find your Instagram username. Now for you to find the password, now head over to these three icons here, the menu icons, and then head over to Account Center. Now scroll down until you see the option called Password and Security. Now, unfortunately, because of security reasons, Instagram won't display your password. However, you can have it save your login details. And if you tap on Saved Logins, and then under Saved Login, toggle this on as it is, then Instagram will always remember your information on this device and you won't need to enter it when you log in again. So you don't have to worry about remembering your password as long as you're still logged in on your current device. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.